Good evening, children. First, the people who didn't read till now, I will select those children. Now I will share the screen. Wait 1 minute. A 93rd passage. This is mathematics related passage. Okay. Amsini, Amsini.
Sir,
Start reading. Start.
do you know that zero was discovered in India? In the same way, the digits which are the basic of the modern international numbers being used now were also discovered in India. Some people hate thinking about numbers and mathematics, but one day a mathematics teacher who visited our school told us some nice pretty things about
Numbers is R missed. Okay. Numbers
and their birth. He said in the beginning man used their fingers and toes for counting. Then fingers and toes were commonly called digits. We talked about PIN code or telephone number with 6 digits. It means perhaps the number has 6 or 5 digits. We have 10 fingers and 10 toes. So the primitive man learned at first to count up to 10 and 20. Later numbers for counting increased to hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores, millions, billions and trillions.
Okay, very good, very good. Now I will read. Okay, to 93rd passage. Do you know that zero was discovered in India? In the same way, the digits, which are the basic of the modern international numbers being used now, were also discovered in India. Yes, all those digits and numbers are used in the international also. Those are also being discovered in India, means founded in India. Some people hate thinking about numbers and mathematics, but one day a mathematics teacher who visited our school told us some nice pretty thing about numbers and their birth. He said in the beginning men used their fingers and toes. Toes means this leg fingers. Toes for counting. Then fingers and toes were commonly called digits, means we have 10 fingers. That's why, means if you count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, if you count from 0 means it will become 9. So these all will be called digits. Okay. We talk about PIN code or telephone number with 6 digits. It means perhaps that number has 6 or 5 or digits, 5 or and so on digits. We have 10 fingers and 10 toes. So primitively man learned at first to count up to 10 and 20. Later numbers for counting increased to hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores, millions, billions and trillions. Okay, now I will unmute everyone. This passage no need any explanation. It's such a simple passage. So the basis for modern international numeration was discovered in our country, foreign countries, Britain, America.
Our country.
Yes, very good.
Our country.
Discovered in India. Do you know zero was discovered in India?
Our country.
Yes.
Yes, they have told zero was discovered in India. Not only zero, in the same way digits are also based. Yes, modern international numbers being used now were also discovered in India. Okay, option 1. Answer 1. Next, in the ancient time, dash were called digits from 1 to 10, from 1 to 1 billion. Those in science of numbers, human figures and toys. Which is the answer. In ancient times, dash were called digits.
Human fingers and
Option 4.
Very good.
Option 4. Human fingers and toys.
Very good.
Fingers.
Where the human fingers and toys started, primitively man learned to first count up to 10, 20. We have 10 fingers and 10 toys. So primitively man learned to count up to 10. Later numbers for counting increased to 100. Okay, we talk about digits. numbers has 6 to 5 and so on digits. We have 10 fingers and 10 toys. So primitively man learned to first to count up to 10. Okay. Is in the beginning, men used fingers and toys for counting. Then the fingers and toys were commonly called digits. So from here to here, you have to understand sentence. There is answer there. Okay, answer is there in the two sentence. Next question.
Okay. Mathematics.
Although the science of numbers has developed a lot, the digits which are its basis are. Although the science of numbers has developed a lot, the digit which are its basis are fingers and toys, 0 and 1 to 9, from 1 to 10.
0 and 1 to 9.
What is the answer?
0 and 1 to 9.
Yes, yes. All the science numbers has developed a lot. The digits which are its basis are 0 and 1 to 9. From 0 and 1 to 9, we have made billion, trillion, everything will be created with only these 10 digits. What are those 10 digits? They have asked the digits which are its basis. Digits they have asked. In this also it will be there actually. Yes, yes. Commonly colored digits. Okay. Simple passage this one. The mathematical teachers told that students a nice thing about mathematics because he liked mathematics. He wanted to teach the student mathematics. He wanted to kindle the student interest in mathematics. Mathematics is the most difficult of all subjects. Why he told students nice thing about mathematics?
He liked mathematics.
In the passage, you have to go through the passage.
He liked mathematics. Option 1. Option 1, sir.
Discovered in India. In the same way, the digits which are basis of modern international numbers were also discovered in India. Some people hate thinking about numbers and mathematics. But one day, mathematics teacher who visited our school told us some nice, pretty things about numbers and their birth. He said in the beginning, men used to fingers and toys counting. Then fingers and toys were commonly called digits. Some people hate thinking about numbers and mathematics. But one day, mathematics teacher who visited our school told us some nice pretty thing. In this question, what they asked, mathematics teacher told the student nice thing about mathematics because he wanted to teach a student mathematics. He liked mathematics. He wanted to kindle the students' interest in mathematics. Mathematics is the most difficult subject. What is the answer? What's your answer?
Sir, option 1.
He wanted to. Option 2, sir. He wanted to teach. Sir, option 2. Mathematics. Option 2. Mathematics.
No, in this they not given. They didn't given. Some math people hate thinking about numbers and mathematics. But one day, mathematics teacher who visited our school told us some nice, pretty thing about numbers and their birth. He said in the beginning, men used their fingers and toes for counting. Then fingers and toes were commonly called digits. Mathematics is most difficult of all subjects. No, he wanted to kindle the students' interest in mathematics. To create the interest in the children, he told that story. If I tell some stories related to science and technology, you will get more interest in the subject. So to get interest in the mathematics, he wanted to kindle the students' interest in mathematics. Okay.
He wanted to kindle the children's interest in
See,
mathematics.
you have to read this. Some people hate thinking about numbers and mathematics, but one day mathematics teacher who visited our school told us some nice, pretty things about numbers and their birth. He said in the beginning, men used their fingers and toes for counting. Then fingers and toes were commonly called digits. By this, they will get interest. In this, there is no, in this, they didn't mention, first we have to go through the passage. In this passage, they didn't mention he liked mathematics or he wanted to teach the student mathematics also didn't mention. Mathematics is most difficult of all subjects. They have mentioned some people hate thinking about mathematics and numbers mathematics, but in this they didn't mention mathematics is difficult of all subjects. So you have to go through the passage. Actually, you have to answer the things related to the passage. Don't go out of the box or out of the passage. So he wanted to kindle the students' interest in mathematics. Okay, we learn from this passage that it is easy to learn mathematics. The modern digits were discovered in our country. A lot of research was conducted in science of numbers. The basis of science of numbers and digits. Basis of science numbers are digits.
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 3.
Sir, option 4.
Option 3.
So in this also, it is easy to learn mathematics. No, not there in the sentence, not there in the passage. The modern digits were discovered in our country. Yes.
Option 3.
Also discovered in country. Option 2 also will come. A lots of research was conducted in science of numbers. No, it's not there in the passage. The basis of science of numbers are digits. So 2 also come, 4 also come. Yes or no? See, we'll see here. We'll see here.
Yes, sir.
So we have 10 fingers. So primitively man learned at first count 10, 20. Later numbers for counting increased to 100,000 lakhs crores. So the basis of these all numbers are 10 digits. And next, see, do you know zero was discovered in India? In the same way, the digits were which are basis of modern international numbers being used now were also discovered in India. So answer are the modern digits were discovered in the country. The basis of science of numbers are digits. These two answers will come, but in previous year questions, they may give, but they maximum they won't give this type of two answers. Only one answer will come. So, do you understood why this 2 and 4 came? Okay, right. 94 passage.
Sir, should I read?
Okay. Who are not read this? Okay.
Sir, shall I?
Wait. I will see who didn't read till now. Still this. N Jaswant, are you ready? N Revant?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Yes, okay.
Sir,
Start
totally
reading.
black.
Wait, I will. Yes, wait, I will. Unmute yourself and start reading fastly.
Okay, sir. Once a British company was conducting drilling for oil.
Is it visible? This much if I keep means. Are you able to read it or not? Okay, go ahead. Read fastly. N Revant. Revant, are you ready? Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Is this visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read.
Once a British company was conducted drilling for oil at
Rawalpindi.
Rawalpindi, then a problem arose unexpectedly. The mud which came out during drilling mixed with salt water and returned hard like a rock. Because of it, the work was stopped. The company
Wait.
faced
Because of it, you have to give the gap between comma and the. Because of
Okay,
it, the work was stopped. Okay, read fastly.
the company faced the risk of a heavy loss. Then the company company
consulted Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar.
see Saru.
His knowledge of mixture and chemicals has already earned a lot of recognition. Okay, you may zoom it and read it. I have decreased this size. You may zoom it. You can see clarity now. Isn't it visible? No, it's not visible. Are you ready? Revant, are you ready? Okay, I will give chance to others. Komal.
Good evening, sir.
Read. Wait, I will. Read fastly.
Sir, from first to.
Yes, from first to you
Okay.
keep your phone horizontally.
Okay, sir.
Read. If you can zoom it also. Fast. Read fastly.
Once a British company was conducted drilling for
Conducting,
oil
not conducted. Conducting drilling for oil at Rawalpindi. Okay, read fastly. Fast.
Rawalpindi. Then a problem arose unexpectedly. The mud which came out.
Wait. Then a problem arose unexpectedly. Here dot is there now. You have to give some at least 3-4 seconds gap. Okay, read fast.
Okay.
Good.
Then a problem arose unexpectedly. The mud which came out during drilling mixed with salt water and turned hard like a rock. Because of it, the work was stopped. The company faced the risk of a heavy loss. Then a company consulted Shanti Swarup.
Then the company consulted. Consulted means they have visited. Okay, read first. Read, yes. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Read.
Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. His knowledge of mixture and chemicals had already earned of a lot of recognition. He offered a simple piece of advice.
Advice.
He told
Simple
them-
piece of advice means suggestion. Okay, read.
He told them to add gum to the mud coming out during
Mud. It's
drilling.
Mud means what? Do you know? Mud.
No, sir.
Mud means that sand or this will call now will in front of our house will be there now. Those sand type. Sand means do you know? Sand.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes, right. Go ahead.
Mud coming out during drilling. They did so, and mud hardening stopped. The company asked the
Authorities means officials.
authorities were
The company
After-
authorities were astonished at the wonderful solution to the problem.
astonished at the wonderful solution to the problem with a simple trick in such a short time. The company was reduced for a situation of
Rescued.
ensuring
Rescued
a-
means saved. Saved themselves.
Yes.
Rescued means if any fire accidents will happen in our surroundings or in our village, the fire engines or firemen will rescue us. So rescue means saved. Okay, read.
for a situation of incurring a heavy loss.
Okay, very good.
With this, the company announced for
Bhatnagar.
Bhatnagar a reward of rupees 1,50,000. But instead of taking the reward for himself,
Taking, not talking. Taking means if you take the rewards from the SAR also, no, if you get first in the exams. Okay, read.
himself, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar handed the amount over the Punjab University of Research in Petroleum.
So Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar handed the amount over to the Punjab University for research in petroleum. So to do research in petroleum, they have handed over those 1,50,000 rupees, means those got reward na. These company given this money to Punjab University for to do research in the petroleum. So this somewhat typical or different type of words are introduced, but you have to read because this passage already given by Sar only na, morning only given. So from morning onwards till now, you can read it minimum 5 times to 10 times. Means if you read again and again that passage, what will improve? I will tell. Your pronunciation will improve and your reading speed will improve. So Sar is giving you the passage in the morning only. So you try to read it from that time, from morning to evening, at least for 5 to 10 times. If you won't understand the passage or if you won't pronounce properly, means like this, a different type of words are introduced in that passage. Those passages you must read 5 to 10 times. Okay. If the what is somewhat typical or different, you ask your parents or your elder brothers or sisters. Okay. Okay. So till now, I think Sar has given 100 passages. So you can practice those passages many times, number of times. Means by thus you can improve fast reading skills and understanding skills. Okay. So you should not repeat like this. I will check who are done like this. Next. Ram Surya, are you there? Ram Surya. Are you ready, Ram Surya? Unmute yourself. Where Ram Surya? Unmute yourself, Ram Surya. Unmute.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, start reading.
Once a British.
Okay. Wait once. I will read it. Time is going only 10 minutes there. Okay. I will read. Okay. Once a British company was conducting drilling for oil at Rawalpindi. Then a problem arises unexpectedly. Means British company at that time, means before 1947, before we have got freedom. I think this British company was conducting a drilling. Drilling means if you drill in the if we drill inside our earth, we will get oil. So they are this oil company drilling for oil at Rawalpindi. The name of that village is Rawalpindi. Then a problem arose unexpectedly, and suddenly the problem came in that situation, in that place. So the mud which came out during drilling mixed with salt water and turned hard like rock. So while drilling inside that earth, while they are drilling, the mud which came out, means while drilling will get mud outside only, na? So mud will come out, and that mud mixed with salt water. So that mud and salt water combinedly became a rock. So hard like a rock. So they are telling that the mud which came out during drilling mixed with salt water and turned hard like a rock. Because of it, the work was stopped. If you drill the rock, what will happen? The driller will damage, or the fire will come from. Have you seen in your surroundings? I think you are already seen. If you while drilling inside this earth or surroundings, if any stone or rock will get, the fires will come. That fire particles will come. Okay, the company faced the risk of heavy loss. They got lost lot. Then the company consulted Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. His knowledge of mixture and chemicals means, so if they got heavy loss and they have got problem, na? So they consulted, means for solving their problem, they consulted Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Next, his knowledge of mixture and chemicals had already ended a lot of recognition. His knowledge means this Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar is a person, and his knowledge of mixtures and chemical had already ended a lot of recognition. Recognition means if you had knowledge in mathematics, means Sara is telling maths classes or many English classes, or if you listen to the class, if while Sir asks you questions, some questions in the class, if you tell answers rapidly, speedily, if you answer all the questions, answer to all questions by given by the Sir, you will get recognition in the class. Yes or no? So if you go on answering in your class also, you'll get recognition in the class like that. Then the company consulted Shanti Swarup Bhagatnagar. This Shanti Swarup Bhagatnagar has a lot of recognition in his knowledge of mixture of chemicals. So in mixture of chemicals, he had more knowledge, and he had already ended lot of recognition in that subject. He offered a simple piece of advice. So he offered some advice, some suggestions he has offered for, it means he told some solution for that problem. He told them to add gum to mud coming out during, means he told you know already what is gum. Gum means you know already. So he told them to add gum to the mud. Means if you drill inside the earth, what you will get? Mud will get. So he told to, if you are drilling, the mud and the salt water mix and become rock. If you drill the rock, you will get fire particles. You will get fire also. So that's why for that he given the solution. Just for you have to understand. Just you have to understand. No need to remember anything. No need of going deep understanding. Just you have to understand what is he telling. So he told that he offered a simple piece of advice, means small suggestion, simple suggestion. He told them to add gum to the mud coming out of the drilling, out during drilling. Means he told them to add gum to the mud coming out during drilling. They did so, and mud hardening stopped. So they have followed the instructions of Shanti Swarup Bhagatnagar, and then what happened? They have practically done. They have added gum to that mud coming out during the drilling, and the mud hardening stopped. Means the hardening of mud also stopped. Okay, the company authorities were astonished at the wonderful solution to the problem with a simple trick in such a short time. So the companies became astonished, means they have became very much amazed. Means if you feel somewhat means if you feel sudden expression, means if you feel some amazing, they felt about him, they felt more happy, and they felt very more interest and more what we'll call certain, what will be there. They are faced magic. They felt magic. It was a magic. Astonished means they amazed. Means they have felt very amazed, or magic, miracle of magic. So were astonished at the wonderful solution to the problem with simple trick in such a short time. He given in short time, na? So the company was rescued from situation of incurring heavy loss. So rescued means they have saved their losses. If they continue till then, if they go on continuing drilling while the mud will become rock, they will face many loss. All drillers will be lost, and they won't get the oil also while drilling. So they are telling the company was rescued, saved from the situation of incurring a heavy loss, means getting a heavy loss. With this, the company announced for Bhatnagar a reward of 1,50,000, but instead of taking the reward for himself, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar handed the amount over to Punjab University for research in petroleum. So the company given 1,50,000 as a reward for Bhatnagar, and Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar then handed that whole amount to Punjab University to do research in petroleum. So we'll go to the questions. I will unmute everyone fastly. I think you understood the passage perfectly. We can complete within 2 minutes. The problem faced by British company was that the workers went on strike. Mud mixed with water and hardened into rock. Mud mixed with salt water and hardened like a rock. Mud turned into petroleum. What is the answer?
Option 3.
Very good. Option 3. Mud mixed with salt water and hardened like rock. Yes, mud mixed with the mud which came out of during drilling mix. If you search in the sentence, if you search in this passage, if you search in the sentence, yes, very good. Wait. If you search,
Option 3.
very good, option 3. In this passage, if you search in the passage, the mud which came out during the drilling mixed with salt water, you won't get like that. You can, if you understand this sentence only, you will able to answer. Mud mixed with salt water and hardened like rock. Okay, option 3. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar was a scientist, literacy figure, a linguistic, learned in science of knowledge, an astronaut. Who is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar?
He's learned in the science of languages.
Yes, very good. Answer 3. He has somewhat knowledge. He is not scientist.
Sir.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3.
Yes, the company consulted his knowledge of mixture and chemicals has already ended lot of years. Okay, option 3. The authorities ties of a British company were astonished because, means they have amazed because the company was rescued from incurring losses. The problem was solved with simple trick. Petroleum was found at a little depth.
Option 2.
Was added to mud. The problem was
The problem with a simple trick.
yes,
Option 2, sir.
Option 2, sir.
The British
Option
yes,
2.
very good. The British option 2 answer.
Option 2, sir.
The British company gave Bhatnagar rupees 1,50,000 for rescuing the company from heavy loss, for directing the company in right way, for admitting him an employee in their company, for preventing the mud water. Very good. Option 1. For rescuing the company from heavy loss. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar handed over reward to the Punjab University. This sentence reveals that he was simple, honest, helpful to others, generous in giving.
Helpful to others.
Answer is helpful to others means he is helping to others. He given that money, generous. Okay, Bonasri will. I'm sharing the screen again. So, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar handed over reward to the Punjab University. The sentence reveals that simple, honest, helpful to others means you are helpful to others.
Option 4.
But helpful to others means if you give your money, you are helping to others. If you had a 10 rupees, not only giving. If I give, if suppose I am friend of you, I am friend for all of you. You think I am your friend. If I ask you to do this work, you will do na. If you do means you are helping me. That's the answer for helping to others. If I give you some work, I have homework and I will assign you to do work. Wait, what happened? Didn't completed, Lakshmi Prasanna. Wait. So helpful to others means what? You are helping to others. Means I will give 10 rupees to others means generous in giving. Giving. I am giving to others. I am generous in giving. Answer is 4. Okay. Answer 3 not, 2 also not. Wait. With the company announced for Bhatnagar a reward of 1,50,000, but instead of taking reward for himself, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar handed amount over to Punjab for research in petroleum. So he is very generous. He is very generous in giving the money or giving anything. So helpful to others means what will come? What is the meaning of helpful to others? Helping. Helping in the sense help your friends now. Yes, helping nature. So are you interested? Still we'll continue to next passage or we'll stop here? What's your opinion?
Sir, continue.
Okay, I have asked it this many times, Lakshmi Prasanna, but you should not stop in these sentences. Okay, you have to read fastly because these all are given
Sir, I have
already, sir. Yes,
Sir,
I will
can
give.
say.
Sir, shall
I will give next. You will next passage you may read. Wait. Yes, unmute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, I will see. Read.
The beautiful small deer that run with shorts in gems bring beauty to nature itself. Among the various specials of deer, the small deer with 4 horns are called antelopes. No
Okay,
other
antelopes.
animal in the
Right.
No
First.
no other animal in the world has 4 horns. Once the beautiful antelopes use it to wander in our surroundings. But the antelopes are becoming extinct as they are losing their shelters and security on account of cutting down of forests. Natural calamities, hunting and other reasons. They have no become part of the list.
Now
of
you told no, and you have to give at least 3 to 4 seconds between the pull stuff and means between the sentence and between pull stuff. Okay, you read from there. Now kept mouse now. From there you start. They
have no. They
no
have
no
now
not now. Now means what? Now
Yes, sir.
now we are in the meeting. Now you are studying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
They have now become part of the list of rare forest creatures which were once famous in our region. Animals of this special do not
Species.
move about.
Species means living creatures. Species.
Species do not move about in groups. Only the male and the female deer move about in pairs. They eat tender leaves, flowers, and fruits as food.
Okay, very good. You read well. Okay. Okay, now I will read and I will complete it fastly. Okay, this it is a beautiful passage about the living species or about these animals, small deers. The beautiful small deers that run with shortlist jumps brings beauty to nature itself. Among the various species of deer, the small deer with 4 horns are called antelopes. No other animal in the world has 4 horns. Once the beautiful, see, we'll see the picture of horns. You don't go far. So what are those? See, 4 horns. They have 4, they are telling. 4. Okay, these are horns. Okay, have you understood? Show your thumbs if you are seeing these horns. Okay, very good. So there is no need of knowing horns also, no problem. In this passage, you have to just understand. Go on reading. You have to understand. Those horns are called antelopes. So the beautiful small deers that run with shortest jumps bring beauty to the nature itself. Means they will go on jumping. That gives beauty to the nature. And those small deers has 4 horns to their heads. Among the various species of deers, the small deers with 4 horns are called. Means their names are called. They are told that you see how you have to concentrate on the commas and whole sentence full concentration must required these type of passages. Among the various species means living creature or the part of living animals. So among the various species of deer means in the type of deers there are many types of deers now. The small deer with 4 horns are called antelopes. Means antelopes means what? Those not 4 horns. Antelopes means the species of deer. Means if they have 4 horns, we'll call them as antelopes. Small deers are antelopes. Okay. No other animals in the world has 4 horns. Once the beautiful antelopes used to wander in our surrounding, but wait, I'm unmuting everyone once for test. This my voice is clear or not?
Small deer have
Clear, sir.
4 horns.
Okay, my
Yes, sir.
voice is
Clear,
not
sir.
stucking now. Okay, if my voice
No,
stuck,
sir.
you raise your hands. Okay, very good, right. So, but antelopes are becoming okay. Once the beautiful antelopes used to wander in the surroundings. Once the beautiful antelopes used to wander in the surroundings. They used to wander in our surroundings. Means in our surroundings means they have even come to our villages also. So, but why they have came? To live, for food, for shelter. So, but antelopes are becoming extinct. There is no need of understanding meaning. You understand the sentence. If I go on telling the meanings also, you think passages are like new meanings, new words. No need. I won't explain like that. I will explain. I am also a new reader. I am also the new person for this passage. I didn't study the passage never before. I didn't before this class. I didn't even study this passage. I am also reading as like you in the exam hall. I am in the exam hall right now and I am reading this passage and how I have to face. I am going in your place. Means I am also feeling myself as a 5th class student and how I will face the passages like that I am facing now. Okay. But antelopes are becoming extinct as they are losing their shelter and security on account of cutting down of forest, natural calamities, hunting and other reasons. So in this sentence only they have given extinct means what? They are going away. I have understood by this reading this sentence. Okay. Write on this. So, but antelopes are becoming extinct as they are losing their shelters. Means if they lose shelters and security, what they will go? They are go away or they will die. So in that sentence only they have given that meaning. Means we have to understand. If you read this sentence in the detail, we will unknowingly understand. In the nowadays passage, they will ask what is the meaning of extinct. They will give 4 answers. No problem. In that 4 answers, you can choose. But the antelopes are becoming extinct as they are losing their shelters and security on account. In this, no comma given, no dot given, no full stop given, no comma given. So that's why I'm going reading fastly without giving any gap. But here T, you check it once. But antelopes are becoming extinct as they are losing their shelters and security on account of cutting down of forest, natural calamities, hunting, and other reasons. Natural calamities means, do you know, you will get some. There's Africa, other countries, Australia, those forest got fired, forest got fired away. So like that, many reasons they are getting extinct. They have now become a part of the list of rare forest creatures which were once famous in our region. In our region means our region is Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. If you consider with throughout the world, what is our region? If you compare with the world, our region is India. So in our India, they used to roam in villages also. So they have now become part of the list of rare forest. Rare forest means rare. They have given rare forest creatures which were once famous in our region. So they have given in the sentence, if you understand, you will get that rare. Rare means they are a little bit. Some creatures, some animals are only living in our region. So that's why you understand the passage. You have to read the passage deeply. They have now become part of the list of. They have now become the part of the list of rare forest creatures. Rare forest creatures which were once famous in our region. They are famous in our region actually. We can see in our villages also before that years. But they have become now rare forest creatures. Rare means some, or you can see sometimes only, or little bit means small. They have decreased a lot. The number of deers, number of those what antelopes decrease a lot. Okay, animals of this species do not move about in group. Okay, they won't move about in group. Only the male and the female deer move about in pairs. They move in only two pairs means two. So and that pairs as one male, one female. They eat tinder leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay, you understood this perfectly, I think. I hope I have confidence you have understood perfectly. Okay, we'll move to the questions fastly. Antelopes are. I have unmuted everyone. You can try now. Fastly, you can tell. Who will tell fast? I will see. Who will alert? Antelopes are deers living in a forest, deers living in hill, deers
Option
having
4.
horns, deers,
Sir,
small
option
deers
4
having
deer.
4 horns. Very good,
Small
very good.
deer having 4
Option
horns.
4 deers. Yes, yes.
Option
Yes.
4 having
Answer
four
4. Small deers having 4 horns are called antelopes.
horns.
They have given. Yes, they have given in reverse. The small deers with 4 horns are antelopes called a 4 horn. The reason for antelopes entering the list of rare species is cutting down of forest,
option
of
4.
natural calamities, hunting.
Option 4.
Very good, very
Option
good. All
four,
of
sir.
the above. So now I have
All the
understood that
above reason.
you have understood the passage perfectly. Means not that deep, not required. If you understood the main area, the theme of that passage, enough. The reason for antelopes entering the list of rare species, just ask for the reason. What is the reason? Cutting down of forest, sharpening of natural gun, those all things are in this only. So account of cutting down of natural calamities, hunting of other. So if you understand this sentence, you won't get the answer. If you have to understand this passage from but to up to here. But antelopes are becoming extinct as they are losing their shelters and security on account of cutting down of forest, natural calamities, hunting, and other reasons. They have now become the part of list of rare forest creatures which were once famous in our region. Okay, very good. You are alert and you are telling fastly. Excellent answers are getting from you. All of the above reasons. Antelopes are non-vegetarians, vegetarians, birds.
Vegetarians.
Very good, very good, very good. You had think out of the box. Vegetarians, why we call vegetarian? The vegetarians what they will eat? They eat tinder leaves, flowers, and fruits. That's why they are vegetarians. They eat only tinder leaves, flowers, fruits as foods. Vegetarian. They are purely vegetarians. Yes, antelopes are all vegetarians. Good. You are understanding well. This is an untrue statement. Only antelopes have 4 horns. Except antelopes, animals have
Option 2.
4 horns.
Option 2. Option 2.
Only male and female
Option
deers
two,
move
sir.
about pair. Antelopes do not move about in groups. Except
two.
antelopes, animals have 4 horns. Yes, option 2. Because these are true statements. Only antelopes have 4 horns. Yes, this is true. Only male and female deers move about in pair. Yes, it's true. Antelopes do not move about in groups. They don't move in groups. They move in two pairs, male and female. Okay, right, very good. Antelopes entering the list of rare forest creatures. This statement means only antelopes have 4 horns. The species of antelopes is becoming extinct.
Option 2.
Yes, very good. Option 2. Yes. Good. Shall we move to one more passage or we'll end the class?
Sir, I will say.
You have read one more already. You have read one passage.
Sir, I will read.
Who are interested? New person. Who is that? You tell your name once. Who is that?
Sir, I will read.
What's your name? Tell your name.
read.
Akil.
Okay, I am unmute. First, I will mute everyone. Okay, Akil, R Akil. Okay, very good. Okay, very good for coming forward. Okay.
Venkaya was lazy. He always wanted to sleep and have beautiful dreams. But later he realized that one could not get anything to eat only by dreaming. He thought beginning was an easy way. He further thought that even among the beggars, the blind could earn more. He wrote on a slate, "Please give alms to the blind man." He sat with it at the railway station. As he was lazy even to ask for alms, nobody gave him alms. He was then surprised and inquired among blind beggars. He was informed that the dumb would get more alms. Then he wrote on his slate, "Please help the dumb man by giving alms," and sat at the railway station. Then one of the residents defined
Identified.
Venkaya
Identified.
and
Identified means they have pictured. Okay, identified. Yes, go ahead.
identified Venkaya and questioned him, "Are you dumb?" Venkaya nodded his head. Then the person asked for how long. Then Venkaya immediately replied, "Since birth," but later repented his foolish answer.
Yes, very good. You are somewhat feeling the sentence. You are about to feeling the sentence somewhat extent. Okay, good. Okay, you are feeling, but somewhat pronunciation also. By practicing, I not only you, most of the people, but it not means everyone is not perfect, but most of you means many of you are stucking in this while reading some not many passages, almost all passages you have stuck. Means why this has happened means you are not reading regularly. You have to read daily. You have to read, you must read daily. Understood? And you have to create the environment like exam, means exam environment you have to create. So shall I tell one thing? You can also read fast as possible, but what you have to do means you have to read regularly. And if you want to read fastly within 1 week, means if you want to improve your reading within 1 month, you have to practice lot. Means lot you go on reading the passages, go on reading that one passage at least for 5 to 10 times, no problem. You have to go on reading and try to understand that sentence, not word, sentence. And in that sentence also, each and every word you should understand. Yes, what also you have to understand each and every word and each and every sentence. If you are unable to understand that word, if you think it's a new word, you have to go on reading sentence, what is there in that sentence. After that, while reading whole sentence, at least you will get the idea of that word. Understood? So first priority you have to do, you have to practice. Practice means you have to go on reading, because if you can improve. And you have to read to get concentration. You can read out, but in your exam you won't read out. Understood? In your exam, if you read out means they will tell you to go outside the exam hall. So what you have to do, without reading out, means without giving your sound outside, just read in your mind, and in your mind go on reading fastly. Means I am reading like this in your mind. And in your mind you have to read fastly. How you can improve that speed? You have to keep your finger on each and every word. I am told you to keep finger and you go on reading this fastly. I told that read fastly by keeping finger on those words, but don't move your finger like this. Go on reading, go on keeping like this. Go on finger moving means you won't understand that sentence. In means you have to think of you Are you able to understand that sentence or not? If you are able to understand that sentence only, you have to stop that finger at the full stop. If you don't understand that sentence, you have to again go through that sentence. Means from first on, first then means before that full stop will be there now. From that to you have to go to the end of the sentence in speed manner. I have told you, as I am told you to go on speeding means not in the sense of moving this fastly. Moving fastly as well as you have to understand that sentence. Means you have to, that's you only know your problems and you only know your weakness and you only know what you are reading, how, what, at what speed you are reading. So you have to make yourself and you have to create your you have to improve your speeding skills, so speed reading skills. So that's why you have to analyze after reading the passage. You have to analyze yourself. So while reading, first priority is, am I understanding this sentence? You have to ask yourself. Okay, and if it won't understand, you can read once again. Read up to 5 times. Okay, up to 5 times you go on reading that sentence. Understood? And then after that, if you get full stop, you must give at least 3 to 5 sentence, 3 to 5 seconds gap. Okay, like that you can improve. So you have to go on practice, go on reading. Then only you will improve your reading skills and speed reading skills. And while reading speed also, you will understand what is there in that matter. This is must. This is a must for throughout your lifetime. I am also got seat in Navodaya, you know, I think. So in that Navodaya, you have to face difficult not difficult. They will give different passages, unseen passages, means you didn't seen before those passages, and they will give big passages. They will give the passage with more paragraph, at least 10 paragraph will be there in the exam, in English exam. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to read speedily. If you won't read speedily, if you stick to that passage only, when you will complete all the remaining questions, all remaining grammar bits in English subject, I am telling. So these readings will useful for you till your lifetime. After completion of inter also, and now I am reading, I will read at least for 1 hour regularly. Means important books or English newspapers, not only newspapers, I won't read newspapers lot, but I will read books, English books lot. So that's why my speed reading was improved. This only the technique. I have practiced a lot. I have read a lot. I have read English sentences and English books lot. So that's why I have my reading speed was increased. Understood? So that's why I'm able to read this much speedily. So the main thing is you have to practice. You show your thumb if you are ready to practice from now onwards, not tomorrow onwards. From now onwards, you after completion of this class, read 5 times also, no problem. If you understand after reading 1 time, you can leave it. But if you won't understand that passage after reading 1 time, you may read for 5 times or 10 times also, no problem. While if you read up to 10 times, you will be benefited in reading skills, and you will get speed reading skills. Especially you will get speed once you try. If you read for first time, and if you read that one only for second time, your speed will improve. Have you faced? I think you have faced this. I think you have experienced this. Yes, now if you read for 1 time and if you read that passage only for next time, you will read it speedily. So that's because practicing. You have to practice a lot. Okay. So from today onwards, I will see. Tomorrow I will check why you have to read now. Tomorrow onwards, I will see how you are improving. I will give chance to everyone. That's why I'm testing you how you are speed reading. Okay, right. Now I will read this. Venkaya was lazy. He always wanted to sleep and have a beautiful dreams. But later he realized that one could not get anything to eat only by dreaming. He thought begging was an easy way. He further thought that even among the beggars, the blind could earn more. Okay, this is a very funny passage. So Venkaya was lazy. How much lazy? He always wanted to sleep and have a beautiful dreams. Dreams means he will visualize, he will close your eyes, close his eyes, and he will feel that I will get money, I will get everything, I will get food. Like that, he will dreams. So Venkaya was lazy, he always wanted to sleep and have a beautiful dreams. But later he realized that one could not get anything, not only eating, anything, money or anything. If you want to get maths perfection or English speed reading also, while dreaming only you won't get. If you think yourself as I am a speed reader, no, you won't get. You have to practice, you have to implement. So like that only he is telling in this passage, telling that. But later he realized that one could not get anything to eat only by dreaming. So anyone won't get to eat only by dreaming. If you dream, you won't get like that. He thought begging was an easy way. He chose an easy way. So everyone will have choices to sleep or to wake up early and work, or to wake up early and go to sleep again for 5 minutes. It's your choice. So he thought that begging was an easy way. So he thought begging was an easy, begging already in the temple before, or some people will come to your home to ask money, no? So he thought begging was an easy way. He further thought that even among the beggars, the blind could earn more. So if you act like a blind person, they will give definitely, at least some people will give money. So that's why he further thought that even among the beggars, the blind could, even among means this is, what is this word one? I will ask in between also. I will unmuting everyone. Who will tell? I will fast. Will tell fast. I will see. What is among? What is the parts of speech of among? Among parts of speech, what? Among parts of speech, do you know? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. What is among? What is the part of speech? Give a try, no problem. If wrong also, I won't tell anything now. I am not beating you now.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, my question is among. What is parts of speech? Parts of speech. Among is which parts of speech? Among. Is it?
Sir, pronoun.
I will give choices. Interjection, preposition, conjunction, adverb. Among.
Sir, pronoun.
No, I didn't give an multiple choice. I didn't give an pronoun in multiple choice. Among. Among is preposition. Okay. Sir will send you that parts of speech also. I think you are not saying that. Okay, I won't lag this much time. Okay. I will unmute and I'll go ahead. So you have to learn parts of speech. You are lagging somewhat. Okay, sir will send those parts of speech by teachers. The Krishnaveni Talent School teachers have told in detail, briefly they have told. Even among the beggars, among means preposition. They have used it in the position of some sentence. Some among means in the people, in some amount of people, in some area of people. So that's why they have used preposition. In some area of people, they have used among the beggars, some area. So even among the beggars means some beggars, means not some beggars, all beggars, in everyone, in total type of beggars, the blind earn more. So in all the type of beggars, so even among the beggars, all those type of beggars, in all those in that category, in the category of beggars, blind could earn more. The blind people can earn more. That's he is in this passage is telling. So he wrote on a slate, please give alms to the blind man. He sat with it at the railway station. Ask means he is asking something. So, or money, help, for help. So he wrote on the slate, kept in front of him. So please give alms to the blind man. He sat with it at the railway station. I will ask tomorrow what is it with what is pronoun, what is not pronoun, parts of speech of this it with okay, tomorrow while reading the passage I will ask you. Okay, as he was lazy, even to ask alms, nobody even gave him alms. Means, do you understand? As he was lazy, even to ask money or anything, to ask help, anything they will give. Means, what is they are given in the passage? He wrote on the please give me alms to blind man. So he wrote on that slate and kept the slate in front of him and he sit silently. He's closing his eyes and sits silently. He didn't asking anyone. He didn't begging anyone. Give money. He's not begging anyone. Just he kept a slate in front of him in the railway station. He sat with it at the railway station. Please give alms. In this sentence only the given. I am not telling my own. Please give me alms to the blind man. He wrote on the slate, please give me alms to a man. He sat with it at the railway station. As he was lazy, even to ask for alms, nobody gave him alms. So then nobody was given him. So he was then surprised. He felt surprised. An inquiry among blind beggars. So around him, blind beggars will be there now. He will go and he also went and sat near only beggars. So blind beggars. So he inquired means he inquired among blind beggars. He was informed that dumb would get more alms. An inquiry among blind beggars, he was informed that the dumb would get more alms. Means who will ask a lot, who will shout like that. If you shout more, they will tell you dumb. You are a dumb person. Are you dumb? They will tell like that. So people will shout more in front of temple, in front of anything. So he was informed that dumb, they are given information that dumb would get more alms. Then he wrote on his slate, please help this dumb man by giving alms. So again he wrote on this slate, he as himself as dumb person, dumb man. So please help him, this dumb man, by giving alms. On this slate, he rubbed it and he wrote like this, dumb man, and sat at the railway station. Then one of the residents identified Venkaya and questioned him, are you dumb? Venkaya nodded his head. Yes, I am dumb. Then the person asked for how long. Then the person asked the person asked whom? Person asked this dumb person, Venkaya. Are you dumb, Venkaya? Then Venkaya nodded his head. Yes, he is nodded like this. Then the person asked, for how long? For how much time? How long means from how long you are dumb? Then Venkaya immediately replied, since my birth, I am dumb. But later repented his foolish answer. Okay, this sentence was not proper. Okay, since birth he told, I am dumb. But later represented his foolish answer. Repented his foolish answer. Okay, we'll go through the questions directly. If we want, if the sentence also wrong means no problem. The main aim of ours is to get the answer perfectly. In this only 4 answers are given. What did Venkaya think while lying? How to live without hard work? How to earn money? How to get educated? How to pretend to be blind person? Wait, I will unmute everyone. Okay, what did Venkaya think while lying? How to live without hard work? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes,
How to live without hard work? Venkaya was lazy.
sir.
He always was sleep his dreams, but later he realized that one could not get anything to eat only by dreaming. In further, he thought that begging was easy way. He further thought that he chose an easy way. He didn't choose and to do hard work. So that's why how to live without hard work is the answer. Nobody gave arms to Venkaya. Why? Why nobody gave arms to Venkaya? They learned that Venkaya was lazy. They learned that Venkaya was not blind. He was too lazy to ask anybody for arms. They learned that he was too lazy to ask anybody for arms. Answer 3. Next, Venkaya was a beggar, blind man, lazy man, dumb man. Lazy man.
Dumb man.
How dumb man? He is just acting in that acting in that situation. He is not a dumb man. Are you dumb? Venkaya noted his face. Means he just acted. Why he written dumb on the slate? On inquiry among blind beggars, he was informed that dumb people would get more alms. Then he wrote on his slate, please help me, this dumb man, by giving alms. He is acting like blind man. He is acting like he is dumb. But actually, Venkaya was lazy. In first sentence only they have given. Venkaya was a lazy man. The man who identified Venkaya asked him, you look like a blind man. I have seen you somewhere. Are you dumb man? Are you blind man?
Are you
Are you
dumb
dumb
man?
man? Very good.
Are you dumb man? Option 3.
Are you
Option
dumb?
three.
They have asked. Okay. Venkaya later felt sorry for being recognized by the person, for exposure for his pretend, for his talking while pretending to blind and seeing the policeman. Okay, we have got understand. Since but later repeated his foolish answer. Are you dumb, Venkaya? Okay, Venkaya later felt sorry for being recognized by the person. Answer it may be that or for exposure of his pretending to be dumb. For him talking while pretending. Okay, answer is what is the answer?
Option 2. For the
Okay, very good. For exposure of his
Option 2, sir.
dumb. Yes, he is acting. Pretending means acting like dumb. Okay. These type of questions.